Look, there is Krishna's pet peacock, Tandavik, shamelessly sporting with other peahens right in front of us. He has also become corrupt by associating with Krishna. Dhanishta replies to Radhika with a smile. O chaste one, O Sati, you are the actual dancer, calling us to witness your strange confession, which we have never seen before. This makes us very proud of you, O Radhe. This reveals your amazing anurag for Krishna. Whether one's desired object is easy to achieve or not, still the attached person always worries about the obstacles in attaining it. O Sakhis, come. Let's all tell Krishna about Radhika's unusual behavior. He will very much enjoy hearing about it, for talented people always desire to appreciate another's talents. After hearing Dhanishta's joking and the Sakhi's laughter, Radha looked more closely again at that sight. And then she realized, oh no, this is not Krishna dancing with a beautiful young lover. It's a tamal tree embraced by a golden yuti creeper. Thus, Radha lowers her head in embarrassment. The Sakhis, identifying with Radha's acute eagerness to meet Krishna, start walking faster. They continue joking with Radhika upon seeing how the forest sights intensify her madness for Krishna. Soon Radha arrives at the flower kunj named Madanarana Vatika and approaches the murti of Suryadev. Folding her hands, Radhika devoutly prays to the murti of Surya. O Suryadev, please bestow your grace upon me so that I can easily attain Govinda's lotus feet. Observing the contented look in Suryadev's face and eyes, Radha felt assured that Surya is pleased with her. Offering pranams, Radhika leaves the garden with her Sakhis. Lalita asks Tulsi, Manjari, Dhanishta, and some of Brinda's Vandevis to stay there with the puja paraphernalia. Radhe, 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 Shyam.